Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify money market rates on Vanguard. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To verify money market rates on Vanguard, start by opening your web browser. Enter the Vanguard website URL in the address bar. Once the home page loads, locate the Sign In button in the upper right corner. Click on the Sign In button. Enter your username and password in the designated fields. Click on the Login button to access your account. After logging in, navigate to the Investing tab located in the main menu. Hover over the Investing tab to reveal a drop-down menu. From the drop-down menu, select Cash Management. On the Cash Management page, look for the Money Market Funds section. Click on the Money Market Funds link to view more details. You will now see a list of available money market funds. Select the money market fund you wish to verify the rates for. On the Funds page, locate the Current Yield section. The current yield will display the latest money market rate. Review any additional information provided about the fund. If needed, you can compare rates for different funds listed. Take note of the rates that interest you for future reference. If you have any questions, consider using the website's help features. To log out, click on your profile icon in the upper right corner. Select Log Out to securely exit your account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.